Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your UnitedHealthcare OTC Benefits Card activation guide step by step clearly. To register your UnitedHealthcare OTC Benefits Card, begin by locating your card. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the UnitedHealthcare website. Look for the Member Sign-in option on the homepage. Click on it to proceed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you are a new user, select the option to register your account. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, date of birth, and member ID. Once all details are entered, click Submit. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from UnitedHealthcare. Follow the link provided in the email to confirm your registration. After confirming, log into your account using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the OTC Benefits section. Here, locate the option to activate your OTC Benefits Card. Enter the card number and any additional required information. Carefully review the information you provided to ensure accuracy. Click the Activate button to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message once your card is successfully activated. If you encounter any issues, refer to the customer support section on the website. Your card is now ready for use for purchasing eligible over-the-counter products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.